Hello there, my curious friends. Thanks for joining in. Just getting going. Gonna pick up where I left off with the chat yesterday. Alrighty. So, what was I doing? I believe what I was doing yesterday was I was attempting to combine the Twitch and the YouTube chats into one. And if I remember correctly, it wasn't quite working right. And then the other thing I was noticing was WebSockets didn't appear to be working in OBS Studio. So I was going to look into that as well. Let's see. So okay, cool. And where's the console at? Show console. There we go. Huh, interesting. So, I booted OBS Studio up tonight with DevTools enabled, so a remote port for developer tools. And oh, even cooler, I figured out I had gone to the countdown stuff and added this start recording automatically, and it didn't seem to be working, but it looks like it was just the permissions that I had given the browser source inside OBS Studios. So with the correct permissions, start recording started tonight. So that's really awesome. I'm glad that that was all it was, and I didn't need to do more. Now, as far as the as far as the chat goes, I want to see if I want to see if that's working. So where am I at? Let's see. All right, let's give this a shot. Test OBS chat. Darn it. So that's what's interesting. It showed up right here, but it doesn't look like it showed up in Oh. Let's try this again. Test OBS chat 2. No, still nothing. I wonder why that's not working. And it's not working in either of them, in fact. Which is even more weird because in the DevTools version of OBS Studio, I am seeing that it's connecting to the WebSockets. So it's connected to WebSockets. I guess I can go in and oh, that's interesting. So it actually says login unsuccessful. Where, let's refresh this. Okay, and we want WebSockets. So, interesting. So this window right here, that one has, it doesn't complain about the login being unsuccessful. However, the one in OBS Studio for some reason does. So maybe it's got an outdated Twitch and it for some reason never logged out or something. I wonder. So maybe. Let's see. I'm gonna try to log out of, where is it? There we go. All right, I'm gonna try to log out of Twitch and stuff in OBS Studio and re-log in. So delete that. Did that delete? Ah, that's weird. It didn't refresh. Delete that and refresh. Okay, cool. So those are deleted. If I refresh this page, now it's asking me for the Twitch client, which I get from here. Where is that? Okay, there we go. Save, connect Twitch. All right, let's see. Oh, interesting. Where am I looking at? Huh. Well, it's in there. That should have worked fine. That's kind of weird. Let's. Okay, let's do this. Let's try again. It's got that, and we've got what? I'm gonna go ahead and remove those ones. And let's try to update this. Save. All right. Well. All right, let me try this again. Hmm. Where are we at? Custom browser docs. Hmm. All right. Let's try this again. Aha. It kind of worked that time. Not exactly right, but kind of. Okay, chat controls. All right, and then let's go to the chat. That looks like it's right. Okay. So now I want the, what is it, WebSockets, this. Aha. All right, so now it's acting like it's connected to WebSockets. Let me check the on-screen one too here. Network, web, WebSocket. Ooh, that's interesting. Hmm. Okay. All right. It looks connected, I think. OBS test 3. Boom, finally. All right, so I guess the Twitch was acting like it was still connected, but it wasn't quite authenticating correctly. Now it looks like it's working. So I now have on-screen chats. I mean, other than in an actual browser window. Cool. It's, better than nothing. It ain't great, Still a lot to work to do on it, but yeah, it's there. So let's give a YouTuber a little test here. Let's see. Hmm. Well, that didn't show anywhere. Okay. Dang it. Forgot about that. Um. Uh, oh wait, I think I have an idea. So I obviously don't want YouTube adding itself multiple times there. And one of the problems was, I think down here, where is it? Under the config YouTube. So that's Twitch enabled. This is YouTube. So under here, we do the request. Oh, darn. Wait. Oh, no, that is what I was thinking. So I was hoping whatever is stored in there. Oh. I mean, this set clearly did not work. I was hoping it would. That's a bummer. What I wonder is if it's because of that one or this one. So let's refresh again. Aha. So it is because this gets added twice. This must be getting it, but what's perplexing me is with this set, it should only should only get everything after the last one, which means it should not return anything. Yeah, it shouldn't return anything if this is set. Let's do a handy dandy console log. All right. So console.log. Let's do that and this. So okay, let's test that and find our dev tools. All right. I'm gonna filter by dev tools with that. Okay, so next page token is undefined right here. But should it be defined? Maybe it should be defined. Like, okay, so if we did that first, that should load YouTube in, which means now next page token should be set. Let's give this a try. Aha. And now it's empty. Ooh, okay. So with that set, get that. We come down here. We do that. Oh, that doesn't seem right. Why is that empty now? I don't think anything we did should have emptied this out. It should have still been there. I guess let's add this to console log too. All right, let's say this and that. Save and refresh. It is empty. Okay. Fine then, be empty. Okay, with that empty, Twitch chat 4. All right, that came through. Oh wait, YouTube's not gonna update unless, well, let's make sure. Okay, that's still there on refresh, so that's okay. Twitch chat. Oh no, not Twitch. YouTube chat 2. Refresh. Aha. Okay. So with that done, I think we can re-enable that. Okay. And let's check up the polling handler. All right. Well, let's get ready for a crap ton. Sorry, metric crap ton. Metric crap ton of events happening. So let's refresh. Okay. And move back to this. All right, so with that enabled, let's go back to here. So YT chat 3. Uh-huh. Okay. And Twitch chat 5. Sweet. Man, I really hate polling. I don't know why I hate it so much, but it irritates me so much that there's now just this crap ton flood of requests. Man, it annoys me. I wish YouTube had just a WebSocket API. All right, let's refresh and refresh. Okay. So now we've got OBS Studio with the latest stuff refreshed. So Twitch chat 6. That come through. Aha, it did. Okay, and YouTube chat YT4. Bingo. Awesome. But the other thing I'm wondering is if I can reverse this. But if I can avoid doing it with JavaScript, that would be awesome. So I wonder if I can just set the container here to, it's in a flex element, so flex direction, what are we in column reverse, maybe? Doesn't look like it did anything. No, maybe. Flex direction, column reverse. Ooh, that's fun. So column reverse. I guess it does. Let's do some more chatter. Twitch. Let's see. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. And YouTube 5. Six. All right. Ooh. Don't want that to happen. 7, 8. Oh, that didn't work. 7, 8. All right, at least this one is scrolling. But I definitely don't like that the scroll bar is showing. Let's reload it. Oh, that's right. I didn't save that where's messages? So had to enable that, and then I had to add this. And then wait, that still didn't work. But it worked in the other one. What about here? Okay. That's odd. That's pretty odd right there. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why that's happening. Let me refresh cache current. There we go. It must have had the styling cached. All right, so with it like that, let's add another TW12. Cool. It stays at the top. I'm okay with that so far. Um, hmm. Let's update another style. So we want overflow hidden. Okay, and then refresh it here. It doesn't look like it's hidden. How am I setting the height on this? Certainly does not look hidden. Let me tell you what. Uh, so let's see. I wonder if it's min height instead of 100%. What if it was VH? Or maybe let's try this again. Height is 100 VH. Okay. But is that right? Maybe that's right. That might be kind of what I wanted. And then if I disabled overflow hidden, okay. Ooh, but that was not expected. That's pretty weird. So even though I'm reversing it, when you do overflow hidden, it's actually hiding the top ones and not the bottom ones. That's odd. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't see that one coming. Uh, oh. Okay. Let's see. We need to change the body. And margin 0. Save and refresh. That's still wrong. I think controls had... I think I'm going to comment that out for controls. Okay. That's right. I was also overriding body with height of 100 view height. Okay, save and refresh. Okay. I really don't understand that. I did not see that coming, to be completely honest. I guess it kind of makes sense in a very weird way. Uh, hmm. Let's see. What if I... I don't think this is gonna do what I'm hoping it will, but why not try? Yeah, that did something else. So TW12 should be the top. Still didn't solve my problems. Hmm. Hmm. All right, let's disable that. What about instead of flex direction? What if I did is it direction and left? Oh wait. I need flex direction column, I think. Okay. So direction column. Nope. That didn't do it either. I was hoping, but no. Um hmm. Here's the other thing I'm wondering is what's gonna happen if there's only one or two messages. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete a bunch of these straight from the HTML, and I will see if it looks how I'm thinking. So I believe one of the things I found out yesterday was with only one or two, they stretched this entire thing. So just one was like the entire height. So I think that's going to happen and just split it between the two. So let's see. Nope, that's okay. All right. Huh. Um, well, is there any other trick I could use? Like, it would be awesome if I could. Oh, maybe I can. Okay. Um, Oh no, that didn't do what I was thinking. Oh, I was hoping. Nope, no luck. So there's flex direction and flex flow, but it clearly did not do what I had hoped. Hmm. I don't think flex grow. No, that ain't doing it. What about the flex element? Interesting. Wait, what? Why has it got doubles? That ain't right. Is it, if I refresh again, is it gonna go triples? Hmm. So what I just changed in DevTools was that. And let's see. Oh yeah, good times. It's going triples. I don't know why either. That's odd. I thought I'd fix this. Ooh, and then I just got an error. Start chat count. Um, Start chat count. So app state YouTube chat items length or maybe that will fix it. I don't know. Well, I certainly thought I fixed the other issue, but clearly this ain't quite fixed. Hmm. I need to clean up all this code. Maybe that would help me. It definitely would help me. That's for sure. At least maybe simplify and help me track down where things are going wrong. I do suspect since app state is being stored inside local storage, and then I'm using session storage for the chat, I suspect that the chat is I suspect that the chat is grabbing the oh, I just totally had a brain fart. What was I thinking? Um so app state is stored in local storage, but chat is stored in session storage. And I think it's crisscrossing between local and session storage because I'm combining them. So I think that's something that's happening. Um, I'm going to check now and see what it says. Eh, doesn't look like it's doing it this time, so I guess local storage is clean. Let me make sure that session storage is clean. Yeah. Ooh, that's weird. It doesn't appear to be. Maybe I. Might not need this one down here now. And so it doesn't look like it's updating the session storage for YouTube. So it's updating this, but not this. But why? So local chat is right. But this chat should be stream data chat. Oh, I know already. Okay, I know why. So I need something like this. Leave this is getting an object because it's storing the actual YouTube stuff. Oh wait, that's not quite right. And that. Okay, so stream chat with app state YouTube chat. Okay, I think that will do it. Except that didn't probably need to clean up the let's see. Clean local. All right. Let's refresh. Okay, and it looks like I got logged out of YouTube. Cute. Redirect mismatch for YouTube. What? Why? Redirect URI. Oh, I think I know why. Where's my window? Where's my super suit? I quote Incredibles too much. My apologies. It will probably happen again. Deal with it. Huh. Okay. So that is it. Let's add a URI and chat. And add a URI. Users will be redirected to this path after they authenticated. Path will be appended. Must have a protocol. It can't contain URL fragments, relative paths, or wildcards, and can't be a public address. Okay, save. All right, maybe that will fix the YouTube login. A YouTuber. All right, and refresh. Connect. Still no. Did say it might take a few minutes to update. Ugh. All right. I guess while that is updating, I can probably refresh that. That didn't work. Why didn't that work? Hmm. Hmm. This one. Okay. Ah, this is the one. All right. That's why. So let's see. Store equals okay. And store local that and session storage. Okay. And refresh. That didn't work. Maybe I need to clear cache again. It didn't work either. What's going on? Let's see, session storage, that. I did do store and clean store local. I believe that's what I've got over here. Clean store local session storage. Okay, and refresh. All right, that looks right. And refresh. Still not right. Let's do that and clean store. YouTube and Twitch. Then we clean store local. All right, let's refresh. Interesting. How did local get values again? Clean store local. Oh. Oh, I think I know. All right, that's annoying. All right, the reason it has values again is because the, what is it, window dot poll worker. So I think it is resaving the values before I can before they save and change. So let's see if that does it. All right, refresh. And we're going to clean store local and refresh. Now that looks empty. All right. I also want to test clean store YouTube and clean store Twitch. Okay. Refresh. All right, now if I re-enable both poll workers and I refresh, and I check here, all right, that looks right. This might be working. Let's see. Refresh that too. Ooh, plot thickens. Okay. Where's that window? Refresh and connect. Darn it. Okay, so moving this window back here. What do we got? This should have been empty. For some reason. Okay, let's maybe do something like this. So YouTube, Twitch, and what was the other option? There we go. Okay, and let's do that. Brush. There we go. All right, is all of this working? Ooh, 403. Why 403? 403 is forbidden. Why am I forbidden all of a sudden? Payload, preview, response. The request cannot be completed because you exceeded your quota. All right, let's disable the poll worker. And disable that poll worker. All right, save, refresh, and refresh. Well, how do I know when my quota will reset? Let's, darn it. I wonder if it'll actually tell me inside of Google Cloud, which is where you set up the APIs. I'm wondering if it'll tell me where, like, what quotas I've reached. Not seeing anything yet. All right. Oh, derp. I bet I know why my quota was exceeded. So the quota was most likely exceeded because I had 4 different chat funnels running. So I had one with the controls, one without the controls, and then one with the controls inside of OBS Studio and one without the controls inside OBS Studio. So between all 4 of those, yeah, it exceeded it exceeded the quota. I'm wondering if the API will tell me when the quota will reset though. So let's do some digging. We've got requests. Let's see if they say response headers. I don't see anything in the response headers. Let's check the error. Quota exceeded. No, it just provides a link. That's annoying. So YouTube V3 getting started quota. All right, so let's go over here. YouTube V3. Let's go into here. Let's search quota. Nope. Okay, this is the page I want. So, quota usage. To ensure that developers use the service as intended and not create applications that unfairly reduce service or quality or limit access for others, all API requests, including invalid requests, incur at least 1 point quota cost. You can find the quota available to your application in the API console. projects that enable the data API have a default quota of 10,000 units per day, an amount sufficient for the overwhelming majority. Default quota, which is subject to change, helps us optimize quota allocations and scale our infrastructure in a way that is more meaningful. If you reach the quota limit, you can request additional quota by completing the quota extension request form. Calculating quota usage. Let's search the console and say quota. All quotas, quota increase requests. Let's just check all quotas. Aha. Limit 10,000. Current usage 9,993. And since I've only been doing this for, I guess I have some from earlier, assuming it hasn't reset yet. I would assume they reset at Pacific time since Google is or was headquartered in California. So that's probably about an hour and a half away from reset. So I guess I could potentially come back to this, but maybe maybe the quota being down will give me time to find a better way of polling this data. I also they have the polling rate in here where it varies, and I had set it up so that I could vary the polling rate, but I might just want to, let's see, instead of varying it so much with the polling interval millis, it might be okay if it's just set to, I don't think I've ever seen it at 2 seconds. It's always somewhere between 900 millis and 1,100 millis. It's somewhere between those two. So if I set it higher than I've seen it, maybe I could even do, let's see. So comment that out and just do 3,000. I might be fine with that. And then I'll move that there so it's more obvious. So if I do that and re-comment that out, okay. I'm probably okay with that. That'll limit things a little bit so it won't be triggering as fast. It will still give me near real-time messages. Let's so the other thing I could do that I think I will do tonight is switch it around so that at most only the control would request, and then I could send the results. So yeah, so then I could send the results with I mean, this might be good for me to just reorganize this. It either makes more sense to do it in the controls. That seems the right way to do it. But I've noticed a few times when it makes more sense to do it from the browser source. So because especially, I think I'd prefer to do it in controls. I'm bouncing all over here, but in this window, essentially, rather than the one that shows up inside the stream, let's see. So rather than this one that I just moved around here, let's see. So rather than this one, I could just, I could communicate it with it the way that I have been with others. So essentially only do inside of the controls and then communicate from the controls that is a browser dock inside OBS and send all the data from the browser dock into the widget here. Well, not widget, what is it? Browser dock and browser source. So I think it would probably make a lot of sense to do that. I mean, especially because right now I've also got 4 different WebSockets open for chat as well, because each of them have their own WebSockets. So it would make most sense to refactor it so that at most only the controls is ever connecting to WebSockets, and then it's kind of treated as the source of truth and sends all the data it wants the browser source to have. So I think I will work towards that. All right, let me think this through a little bit here. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Focus, focus, focus. Hmm. Uh, this is not well, it's not at all chat related, but it's just a thought I had. It's a problem I've been having with the stream. Let's see. FFmpeg, change video bitrate. So I've got OBS Studio set up where it's streaming at a certain video bitrate. There are two mistakes here. V and the stream selector were swapped. VF scale, the filter command should be placed between quotes, and also use the regular scale option. So be bitrate codec and the stream selector. But they reversed it. Oh, I guess they're referencing this. So this should be B bitrate and the stream selector. 10M. Ah, okay. So when you try to stream to Twitch over, I think it's over 6,000 kilobytes, Twitch complains. When you stream to YouTube under 9,500 kilobytes, YouTube complains. So I'm trying to figure out if there's a way for me to change my setup so that OBS streams at 9,500 or whatever, and then the streams that are sent to YouTube and Twitch get downsampled or something. See. Apologies for changing gears here. It's just something I keep meaning to look into, and then I forget, and then I start my stream, and then I'm already streaming. So, what's going on here? Okay. So, we've got the output from OBS. So let's see. FFmpeg RE. Ooh, that's interesting. FFmpeg for browser and node powered by WebAssembly. Ooh. That's something. Pure WebAssembly JavaScript port of FFmpeg. It enables video and audio record, convert, and stream right inside the browser. Ooh, that might be really freaking cool. I want to play with this now. That's worth a bookmark right there. Let's see. We'll just do researching. So in browser, you include it like so, then you create FFmpeg. Simple to use APIs. To transcode a video, you only need a few lines. So create and fetch file. Create. I mean, what I'm looking into right now is, I don't know if it's actually called Relay or if the module that I'm using is calling it Relay, but let's see. I didn't find anything. I guess not. Want to find the list of commands. So the ones I know that are being used right now is -RE. So RE, that's report. I don't think that's it. Recast media. Allow forcing a decoder of a different media type than the one detected or redesignated by the demuxer. I'm wondering if you can shorten it to that or if there's another -RE. Re-init filter. There it is. Read input at native frame rate. This is equivalent to read rate. Read rate. So it does RE-I, which -I I'm assuming is input. Let's see, find -I. Yeah, that looks like it is input, but I would like the actual definition. So input URL. So you do -RE input URL, the RTMP stream, then you do a copy. So you do -C -C copy. All right. Where's the definition? Copy. Ah, that's it. Okay. So -C and the codec stream specifier. So -C is the codec? Is that right? Or it could be copy. Select an encoder when used with an output or a decoder when used with an input. For one or more streams, codec is the name of the decoder, encoder, or a special value copy. Output only to indicate that the stream is not to be re-encoded. So we copy and then -F. To FLV. Let's see, find -F. So that force input or output file format. So format is normally auto-detected for input files and guessed from the file extension for output files. So this option is not needed in most cases. So those are the options that it provides. And what I'm wondering is, can I set the bit rate with these things? If I could, then I could do -B. Let's look that up. Find -B. BV 64K. Buff size 64K. Let's start at the top. All right, so build conf BSFS. I want the definition for -B, darn it. I want all this other crap. Benchmark. Bit exact. BSF. Bits per raw, blah, blah, blah. Where are we at? 62. Are they really not going to define it? Did I miss it somewhere? This is looking like the end. All right. I feel like they skipped defining it, or I missed it somehow. They do show it all over the place like that. Bitstream filter. Bit exact. BSF. Right, I don't feel like I missed it now, but to force CBR video rate output, min rate. So I don't want CBR, I don't think. I'm okay if it varies a little bit. I mean, maybe it varies a lot. I'm okay if it varies. Let me put it that way. So that's audio streams. Yeah, that would be really nice if they actually specified that. I'm assuming A is audio and V is video. So you do BV, and then I would do something like six K for. Do I have to change the buffer size too, though? To set the video bit rate of the output file to 64-bit kilobits. Huh. Mm. Didn't mean to do that. All right. Hmm. 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 Um. Well, well, well. What is happening? Hmm. 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 Is my YouTube stream offline, or is it because looks like it's still online? I think it's because I hit that quota. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, oh. Hmm. 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 Oh, that can safely be deleted right now. It's to do. Refactor. Refactor chat. Refactor YouTube polling. Refactor YouTube polling. to only all right, refactor YouTube polling to run only in controls mode and broadcast to overlay / source mode. Refactor Twitch WebSockets to only run in. Maybe I should refactor these to-dos. How about that? So run only in controls doc mode. Say refactor. Run only in controls doc mode, broadcast to overlay source mode. YouTube polling and WebSockets. All right. So now I got a little to-do reminder at the top of the file. I kind of figure I could wait till the quota resets and come back to this, so I might take a break until the quota resets. Checking now. Yeah, still at quota. I'm assuming it'll reset probably in the next half hour or so here. So I'm going to take a little break and I'll jump back into it. Maybe in half an hour or so, but I might just wait longer until I stream again tomorrow. All right. Well, let's see. Thank you all for tuning in. Where's my, there we go. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. And yeah, I will catch y'all